for this shit. Nigga, I prayed for this shit. Rollin' handmade, it's a Swiss. Rest on my plate, steak of fish. At the round table, it's a big dish. Niggas ain't able, ain't on the list. Hermes Gator, my name on the list. Go AP, it's the same color Chris. Don't play with my name.
What's up, everybody? We're here doing a beautiful drive of Azusa Canyon. We're here with the 190E. I kind of just want to show you guys a little bit of what I've done to the vehicle and, you know, what I've done to the car ever since I've owned it. I got this car bone stock. It was a 2-owner car from a couple out in Oregon. It was a 2-owner car until 2023, so actually a 1-owner car until 2023, so this thing is very, very well maintained. Since then, we've done lowering springs. We've also kitted that with these beautiful BBS RG wheels. Brand new Accelera tires. Shout out to Tire Street. In the interior, over here, if you want to go in there, we have a beautiful Momo steering wheel paired with a beautiful Momo bucket seat. And as for the motor, this thing is completely stock. Let me show you guys. So come this way. This is Mercedes 8-valve carbureted. I forget the name of the motor, but it is a great motor. It is bulletproof. I've been, beating on this thing ever since I've gotten it, and it has lasted. It's a great car as long as it's maintained. And pretty much that is everything for this beautiful 190. We're gonna take you guys on a quick drive. Down Azusa Canyon. Beautiful drive, a lot of scenery, and yeah, we'll cut to some scenes right now. What's up, guys? So we just got on the road. We're gonna go hit this canyon. It's beautiful road.
Good morning, bitch ass nigga. Knowing numbers and shit. I switch whips in the AM. Pick up the bagel with the cream cheese. And smoke with a view with a sauce elite. Hope for them ones still in the streets. Never had a job, never had a GED. But I done pushed every V12 you could think. 20 cameras on my crib when I go to sleep. Never had a bitch that was hard to keep. But found out one solid hoe is all I need. I done touched baggage claim in 7 C's, 7 whips, I forgot the G. If I get it OT, then the profit mean. Left a little water on it, and I cut it clean. Small numbers add up, I need everything. Even bagging up shit, I need everything. When it's slow, I still maintain. But I'm knowing it won't be the same.
Get some money on, get the paper. Get the paper, I get some money on.
That's all I do.
I get the paper, I get some money on. I get the paper, yeah. I get some money on. Chanel beads, mind full of greed. Pellegrino lemon squeeze. My car got slanted eyes like it's Philippines. All these amenities was meant to be. Before you do it physically, you gotta think it mentally. If I put my mind to it, I get it eventually. Started off poor, but I buy a hoe potentially. I'm a pro, talking propensity. Bitches missing me. Niggas know I had the grams for cheap. Ain't no mystery. No, I got the bitch off the hook. Fishes in the sea. Take it out your name, put it in a business entity. Been making millions, ain't no lie. Is you shitting me? Been knew how to aim the fire. Nigga, is you shitting me? Been had Pirellis on the tire. Is you shitting me? I fuck them lashes off your eyes, bitch. We finna see. I buy a coupe for a surprise, baby. I'm on another tier like a cry, baby. Looking at a chandelier during a wine tasting. All I do. Get the paper, get some money on.
Alright guys, so that was the end of our canyon run. 190E, tires are literally smoking. I think I need to roll, I need to sexify this fender. If you guys know who Sexy S2K is, I need to call that guy, have him trim my inner fender because rims are rubbing. But car drive's phenomenal. It's great. Love this thing. I can't wait to take it on more runs. I need to set it up a little bit better. What I think it needs is a little bit better brakes. It needs to get raised a tad bit in the front to be a little bit more maneuverable. And then also she wants a bucket seat because she's flying fucking everywhere in the car.
Guys, it's actually pretty fun. I think it's a good car to go take canyon running.
But I definitely recommend, if you guys have like $3,000, $4,000, I definitely recommend picking one of these things up. They're fucking amazing. They're super fun. Like I've one of my favorite cars I've ever owned, and I've owned a couple cars. So yeah, that's the end of this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and have a good one.
Yeah. I'm home now, it's over now. Shit. Yeah.
She got a thing for Chanel vintage that dropped before she could speak English. Do you love me or love seeking attention? I mean, which one is it? You keep calling me a twin, but twins ain't this different. Mentally, I'm already on next year. That's some 2020 clear vision.